Hello, Sir Adrian. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, unboxing and testing tayo sir ng unit na order nyo. The WE Glock 34 Gen 4 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay? So, ayan sir. Okay? So, ayan sir ha. Bago yan ha. Sabihin nyo, hindi eh. Wala lang. Para pakita ko sa inyo talaga na guaranteed brand new units ang mga binebenta natin. Okay, so ayan. Teka lang. Baka mahulog eh. Baka ma-press ko kasi. Okay, so ayan. Glock 34 Gen 4. Alright? Yan. Bago talaga yan. Okay, out of the galing kay supplier. Okay? Galing kay supplier, galing sa factory. Okay? So, yan. Magazines. Okay? Teka lang. Okay. So, what are the inclusions? Okay, so meron siya kasamang dalawang backstrap. Okay? So, ito yung manipis, ito yung makapal, no? Tapos, meron siya kasamang pin. Okay? So, yun. If ever na gusto mong gamitin. Okay, so we're going to test the unit now, but before we do that, medyo check ko lang, higpitan ko lang kung okay. Sine-check ko lang just to make sure. Kasi pag maluwag, sisingaw. Then, lagyan ko na ng gas, no? Okay. Balik natin yung takip. Wala lang, tinanggal ko lang kasi kailangan natin tanggalin para ma-access ng screwdriver. Okay, so nakakabit pa yung adapter, so I'm going to use the adapter na lang. Okay, yan. Alright, so ilan yung nalagay? 9 pieces. Okay? So hopefully, enough na yung gas na nakarga natin para dito sa 9 pieces na to. But if hindi, kargaan ko na lang ulit ng gas maya-maya. Okay? So ito na. For the first test, FPS and blowback test. Okay, so ayan, 0, 0. Actually, wala pa ng 0, basta dot lang. Okay. So, hopefully, di magloko para may data tayo. Okay? So, ito, firing. 379.8. 372. Usually, pag malakas FPS, malakas din yung tutunog eh. Pa nakakabingi. 365.1. 366.7. Okay? So, the FPS and the blowback is in very perfect. So, accuracy test na tayo. Okay, so for the accuracy test, our test box is 2.3 meters away and the target size is 4 centimeter. Okay? So, ang ibibigay ko sa inyo is the bilog on the second row on the left side and it's second from the leftmost. So, starting from the second circle from the leftmost. Okay, second row from the top. Yan. So, yun yung para dito. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko rin is after ko siya baralin, okay, after, is pipicturean ko, then bibilugan ko, then send ko sa inyo. Okay? So, ayan. So, firing. Okay, almost gitna. Mababa lang konti. Kumanan. Nasa gitna pero nasa kaliwa na part. Nasa gitna pero medyo nasa baba. And parang gitna siya. Okay, so more or less pagka nakita mo tong bilog na to, groupings niya parang nasa may gitna lang na part. Okay, yun lang yung medyo na nadurog. Okay. Alright, so ito sir, nag-opening slide. Okay, so removing the magazine kasi wala nang bala. Okay, so ayan, pull back the slide. hammer down. Okay? So, as usual, the unit is in perfect condition. So, ipapako na to ngayon para madala ko na siya sa courier tomorrow. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.